Welcome DIK WP 小工 aboard. Your learning journey starts now. Forget the usual headlines about who's got the biggest brain. The real game is shifting. The US is playing chess with its most dangerous AI, locking it down for allies and critical systems. China's response, not a copycat move, but building a different kind of fortress, one built on homegrown tech and widespread use. So, what's the US up to? They are not just releasing another shiny AI model. Think of it like this. They've got a super powerful tool, Mythos or Glasswing, capable of some serious cyber heavy lifting. But instead of letting everyone grab it off the shelf, they're saying, hold on, this is too powerful. We need to control how it spreads. They're handing keys to trusted partners, big tech companies, financial giants, infrastructure players. It's about securing the gates to the really dangerous stuff first, then selling the whole package, hardware, software, security, the works. It's strategic asset management, plain and simple. Now, how does China counter? They are not trying to build the same kind of high-risk vault. Their answer is more like, okay, you want control, fine. Let's build our own ecosystem where we don't need your permission. Enter DeepSeek V4. The whispers are it's designed from the ground up to run on Chinese chips like Huawei's. They are collaborating closely with local chip makers. The strategy isn't about exclusive clubs. It's about making AI accessible, affordable, and deeply embedded in industries, manufacturing, logistics, government workflows. It's about creating a massive self-sustaining loop of deployment and feedback powered by domestic tech and open source principles. Less about guarding the crown jewels, more about spreading the utility widely. So, who's winning is complicated. It's not a single knockout blow. The US seems to be getting an early edge in controlling the really scary stuff and locking in key allies. They're building a high wall around the top tier, but China. They're going wide and deep, focusing on making their AI easy to deploy everywhere, creating vast networks of feedback from real-world use. Think of it like two different paths to dominance. One path is about being the gatekeeper of the most dangerous tools. The other is about becoming the default choice for everyday essential applications across countless industries. The real question isn't who's smarter, but whose entire system becomes the standard everyone else has to adopt. What should we keep watching? Keep an eye on whether that US alliance grows and actually delivers fixes. Watch for DeepSeek V4's official debut and if it truly runs on those domestic chips. And crucially, watch for any major cyber incidents potentially amplified by these new AIs that could drastically change the rules overnight. The next few months will tell us if this dual-track competition solidifies. It's less about one giant leap and more about two steady, strategic marches.